Hello viewers, in this video, I will teach you how to transfer Amex points to Air Canada. Make sure to watch till the end so you won't miss any important steps. Alright, so let's begin. You will find the option to transfer any amount of Amex points to Air Canada on the official American Express website. Go to americanexpress.com, scroll down and make sure you select Canada as your country. This option is only available under the Rewards tab for Canadian Amex users. Once on the site, click the Rewards and Benefit tab at the top menu. Then under the Manage Membership, select Redeem Points for Gift Cards option. You will redirect to the next page. Now at the top right corner, click Use Points and from the drop down, select Transfer Points. You will land on a page showing all airline partners. The first one listed should be Aeroplan, Air Canada. Just click Transfer My Points under it. You will then be redirected to a page where you can sign in, link your Amex account with Air Canada and transfer your points. I won't go over the sign-in and linking process, but here you will see a summary of how it works. The estimated transfer time is up to 30 minutes. The transfer rate is 1:1 or 1-on-1, so every 1,000 Amex point you send will give you 1,000 airplane points. There is also a calculator and more info if you want to read further, and that's it.